Now, there are lingering questions about the composition of the West Indies squad to face Zimbabwe, as well as doubts over the ability of interim head coach Andre Kohli to manage the task at hand. But Kohli and the team will have a chance to prove the doubters wrong as they landed in Zimbabwe on Tuesday.
The new era under interim West Indies head coach Andre Kohli will soon get underway as the West Indies prepare for their two-test series against the host nation Zimbabwe next month. The Windies will be looking to rebuild after the resignation of former head coach Phil Simmons. Kohli is hoping his team will start strongly and believes that there is no reason why the West Indies should not come out victorious once the players stay focused.
It should be good conditions for a batsman to score runs. Obviously, with application, we can, as we mentioned in a previous interview, that if we're able to apply ourselves, and play each situation as necessary, then we can look to post challenging totals, especially in our first innings, to have some control over the game, and as the game progresses, position ourselves in such a way that we come out with a positive result.
Despite Kohli being new to the conditions, past experiences have shown that all bowlers should have an equal opportunity to shine on the pitches in Bulawayo.
I haven't really been there. Tomorrow we'll go and have a look around and see what things are like. But if we were to go off history and what would have happened in maybe the last 5 years, we'll probably figure that pace and spin will work equally well here.
The tour will also be used as a tool to assess players as well as provide a platform for the team to regain some well-needed confidence.
Very excited. This tour offers opportunities not only individually as players but as a team for us to regain a lot of confidence and to be at our best.
Meanwhile, West Indies Test captain Craig Brathwaite has warned against complacency.
We look forward to hardly contest series. Obviously Zimbabwe at home, obviously they play well at home, so we can't take it for granted. I think that's the main thing we really got to stress on, and pretty much complete 10 days of solid hard test cricket.
The Windies will play a 4-day practice match from January 28 to 31 before facing Zimbabwe in the first test in Bulawayo starting February 4. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.
Let's go.